Hi friends, this is your friend Amit and I am now going to show you some impressive tricks regarding the 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube. So normally the people think that the solving of Rubik's Cube is very tough. So it is nothing like that. When you will be interested, then it is very easy. And right now I am showing you some impressive tricks. So that you can impress your friends. Okay. So before starting the tricks, I am letting you know about the Rubik's Cube. Okay. So this is the 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube which has 6 faces. Phase 1, phase 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So it has 6 different colors. So I'm letting you know the moves. How can you identify the moves? Because moves is very important to solve the Rubik's Cube. So if you are keeping this Rubik's Cube like that and orange in the front, so that face will be right, right, and this will be right clock. This move is called right clock, and this move will be right anti-clock. Like that, this face will be left, and this will be right left clock, and this will be the left anti-clock. This is the front. This is the front face, and it is a front clock. That is front anti-clock. This is back. This is back clock, back anti-clock. Okay. This is down. This is down clock, down anti-clock, and this is up. This is up clock, and this is up anti-clock. Okay. So these are the basic things about regarding the 3 into 3 Rubik cube. So here we go. The first trick is the Rubik's cube will be in solving state. After that, you have to do only one move and repeat it until unless it will be solved. Okay. So the first trick is um, take this face up, left means left anti-clock and up clock, left anti-clock, up clock, left anti-clock, up clock, and this step will be repeated until unless it will be in solving state. Okay, so like that. So this has been solved. Okay, so this is the magical and very impressive steps to be shown in front of your friends, so that you can solve this Rubik's cube. So this is the first trick, and there is more two tricks. So if you wish to know the second or third trick, so please do subscribe my channel and keep in touch with me so that you can learn the second and third step. If you have not subscribed yet, so please I will request you to do subscribe, and for more interesting video like that. This is your friend Amit from Electronics. Thank you for watching the video.